Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove your card from your Shopify account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify account. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the left side of your screen and then go all the way down to settings. Once you click on settings, then you're going to find this list in the left that includes all of the sections on settings. So firstly, go to billing, click on it. And then once you go here, you're going to find payment methods. So right here, you're going to find all of your cards. And if you still don't have a card yet, you can add it from here at payment method. And then choose if it's credit card or PayPal. And here, fill this form with your card number, expire date, CVV, your region, first name and last name, address, and etc. If you already have a card, this is how it will look like. So right here, you're gonna have it. And if you click on these three dots, from here, you can remove your card by clicking on replace and replace your card by another card. So from here, guys, you're gonna find the billing currency. You can see your current currency, and you can also change it. Right here, you're gonna find your subscription. For me, it's trial. You can choose the plan that you want and subscribe to it. And here you can find charges, credits, and lastly, statements of charges. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.